Hi guys, so now we are going to learn how to make this layered effect in Illustrator. Let me zoom out and delete all of this. Let's zoom back in. So first I will go over here and select the rectangle tool and let's create a rectangle over here. Let's give it a color. Let's make it this greenish and hit OK. After that I will simply copy it again. So I will press Ctrl C and then Ctrl Shift V to place it in place. You can see that there is a copy of it, and let's change its color too. Let's make it pink, and just like that I will make 3-4 more copies. So copy and paste. Let's change its color, copy and paste, and let's change its color to, I guess, orange. Let's make one more. You can see the copies over here, and let's make this one, I guess, red. Let me zoom out a little. Okay, so after you're done, all you have to do is simply select the pencil tool. So here is the pencil tool, and we will basically make cutouts inside these. Let me show you how. So I will draw a random path over here like this, and then I will select this. This is already selected, and while pressing shift I will click on this red one. So both of these are selected, and now I will go to the the shape builder tool and simply click over here. So we have a cutout. Similarly, I will select the pencil tool again, and let's create another path over here. It could be totally random. Then I will select the selection tool. This is already selected, and I will select yellow part while pressing shift to select both of them. And then I will go to shape builder again and simply click over here. And I will do the same thing again and again. Select the pencil tool, create a path over here like so. It is already selected. Select the blue part while pressing shift, shape builder, and simply click over here. So basically we are revealing the bottom parts. Let's do it one more time. It could be totally random, totally up to you. Click, and we are down to, I guess, the last layer. Let's do it one more time. The bottom one would be, I guess, white like so. Now select shape builder and click. So we are done. So all you have to do is now select all of this. Okay, before that you have to delete all the paths. So we have extra paths over here. So I will select all of these while pressing shift to delete these paths. And now I will simply press delete key on the keyboard. So they are all deleted. Now I can select all of this, go to effect, stylize and drop shadow, and then simply hit OK. So basically a drop shadow has been applied to all of them. I can click away. So we have that layered effect now. And if you don't want to see the drop shadow outside the canvas, you can simply go to view and click on trim view. So that part is excluded. So even if I make it bigger now, like so, I can only see inside the canvas. So this was a fun little effect. I hope you guys like this. See you guys in the next tutorial.